Hello everyone, my name is Johnny. Today we'll be talking about packaging and distribution. Distribution, oh gosh. I'm from Brazil, I'm Brazilian, and I'm native, I'm Portuguese native speaker, so it's quite hard for us to say the or and the tall kind of English sounds. We tend to speak like r and ta, not to, and not r, more like r. So it ends up like distribution. That's what we want to say as a Portuguese speaker, But funny stuff aside, let's jump right in and write some Python code. So we start by creating our directory, which we'll call packaging and dist. Let's open our favorite IDE, which in my case is Visual Studio Code. So right here, let's first write a Python file like we always do and define a function that takes two parameters like num1, num2, and let's return num1 plus num2. That's it for our project files. Now this file is the one that do all the heavy lifting for us when packaging, which is the setup.py file. We'll from setup tools we'll be importing setup. Then we'll call this function, which receives two parameters, name parameters, which is the name of the module, or the name of the package, and the modules that it will be packaging. So that's it. We have a list here, but since we have just one file, one module, that's it. So let's open a terminal here. Get out from the packaging in this folder, one step back, and then do a pip install. Let me run pip3 install just to make sure that I'm running the proper version of Python, and install packaging and dist. Seems to have worked. So let's again, using Python 3, let's run our little code. Head 8, it should not work, alright, because I haven't imported. But if I do the proper import from add, import add, we can now call the add function with, let's do 10 plus 10, it should return 20. So that's it. We have properly packaged Python project, and it's ready to be distributed. So you can share it with your friends code, you can share with your developing team. That's it. You can also start a maybe in false new project, an open source project. I don't know. So that's it. Thank you for your attention. Here we delivered the simplest, the most plain version that we would ever think when we address this subject of packaging and distribution, but you can go further, try by yourself, and maybe I can do another video doing some more complex configurations, maybe a bigger project, maybe with adding description and instructions. I don't know, but I hope I helped you. That's it.